put this down so that the 6x6 doesn't sit on the cement. Because even though it's pressure treated, when it sits on cement, you can still absorb moisture. So it'll make it rot out. This metal piece lifts it up off the cement. That way it doesn't suck up in the water. That way it lasts a lot longer. And you secure it to the floor with red heads.
What is red heads? So you
Red are these.
right there. All right. Don't that thing expands when it goes into the concrete?
Yep.
I'm learning, y'all. All right, you're rolling with Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC. My lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina. Well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today, we're over here with my main man, Felix. And we have did what you call made that turn. Felix is jacking it up right now. See how he's jacking that up? He's jacking it up so he can get his 6x6 post in there. See that? Now he letting the jack down. When he let it down, it's gonna set right there on the post. See that? Perfect. Now he can take his brace bar out of there. That's the brace bar right there. Nice and level, baby. Plumb. Call it what it's called, Felix? Toe screw. Super Bowl champs, baby. How y'all doing today? This is Greg, one half of Radford Homes. I'm gonna take you through, show you what me and my main man, Felix, is doing today. Show you the progress. March 13th, you gotta come see us. About to get ready to start stucco in this place. The brains and the beauty behind the operation, Miss Radford. Give her a call if you need her, 863-205-1307. All right, we're gonna take a look in the inside, see the progress. Look how we did this front porch. Raised the roof up on the front porch. Got it looking absolutely wonderful. Around our doors. All right. On March the 13th, I want you to come here, $1,000. And today, Felix is knocking out some special work right here. What's up, Felix? All right, Felix is putting up. What are these, Felix?
Beam. Putting up 6x6 in a beam. Soffit. Hopefully.
I gotta get it in between that little thing there. All right, we're putting up a beam. As you can see, where you see the beams right there, we're gonna have this is gonna be an enclosed-in porch here. All right, I'm excited because we're about to get ready to start stucco in the whole house. We finna put up the drywall. We finna put up installation first, then drywall, and we finna stucco the house. The transformation is about to happen. What's happening right now is we're making what we call the turn right now. When you're flipping houses, the turn comes when the drywall goes up and the stucco goes on the outside of the building. Why is that? Because everything else after that is just beautification. Beautifying the operation. All right, when I say that, I'm talking about cabinets, fixtures, tiles, the flooring, everything to make it look beautiful. On March 13th, you come check us out. You interested in learning how to do this? I ain't charging you $1. Nothing, free of charge. Give me a call or text me and say, Greg, I want to come to that class on March 13th on a Saturday. 931-241-9714, or text my wife, who is a licensed realtor, if you need any help with buying you a home. All ready to go. Got the thing already vented out for the dryer. You got for your washer and dryer right there. You got your electrical. That's right. It is a water spigot. That's the water spigot. Instead of coming out the ground nowadays, we run it through the roof, through the attic. All right. That's the water. See, these are all what you call open or PEX. This is water. So this is the water outside. It comes out the attic. Everything is ran overhead. This right here is electrical pre-wiring cable. All right, this is a master bedroom in here. Right there, that's the shower. On the other side of the shower is your laundry room. Now, as you can see right here, before, this was a block wall. We cut this wall out and we knocked a hole and made a door entrance. So this would be a master bedroom. You also have another bathroom right here. That's a tub there. All right. So you got your shower with your water valves right there. What we did over here, we put what you call a little key nook. We're gonna put cabinets and granite countertops right there. All right. So this is the second master bedroom right here. The first master bedroom is on the other side of the house, so check it out. They also did what you call an open floor plan. All right, you put what you call an LVL beam, laminated veneer lumber. All right, made it open. And right here is going to be a kitchen island right there. It's going to be your refrigerator right there. All right, over there is going to be your stove. Check out this clever thing we did. We did what we call a pot filler. See the water? That's the water coming down, so you can put the pot. You don't have to take your pot from your stove. No transitioning over here to the sink. That's where your sink is going to be. All right. All right. We got a pocket door right there. It's a pocket door going into the master bathroom. You have dual showers for the wife and the husband. Shower over there. It's huge. You talk about a huge shower. Look at this shower. And here's where you turn the water on for both of them. There. See the pocket door where the door slides in here?
Bartow, tell him how much, ask him to figure out how much we need and what he wants.
All right.
All you gotta expect is if we can be able to. That's it.
All right. right, so it's gonna be stucco tomorrow. Start prepping anyway. So what's those right there? Those 2 holes there? That's the vent.
Yep. Stove, bathroom on one side, the other bathroom over there.
Oh, what's that? Oh, dryer. And then those are cleanouts. They're gonna stuck over that, right?
Yep.
Oh, look what we got here. Got this nice back porch going in. Gonna screen that in. And we got our stucco. Hold up before you put that up.
Coming out. So this is pump the air coming out into the house, and it's going to get pointed towards the bed over here, where those double windows. And then this is the return. So this sucks the air in. That way you got a nice constant airflow. So it's not like a balloon in here, because if it's airtight and you got the heat blowing, the AC blowing in, if it's airtight, you can't blow no more air in. If it gets, that means it'll get hot in here because it'll build up pressure. So the return will suck the hot air out. That way you got a constant airflow. So it'll be a nice temperature.
So does it go into every room?
It goes into every bedroom. As soon as you get the AC and go, you should have a vent, feed, and a return going into each bedroom. So we've got one here, one there, one in the master, and then one in the second master.
So that's the return?
Yep. Clockwork, bathroom fan, outside, and the gable. Clockwork is ran all the way out. Footprint. Here. Once they sheetrock, once I'm doing the cabinets, I'll put a hole and pull that down, so it's running all the way to the gable. Same thing with the other. They were over here, we moved them here.
Okay.
Now it's 3 feet, and they're all the same.
There you go.
And then we did a ceiling fan box. So I'm hoping that'll hold the ceiling fan.
Yep. Look at that. That's strong. Hold Felix up.
500 pounds.
There you go. Let's go in the other rooms. That's the vent for the bathroom.
Outside, if you turn a little bit, you can see the 6 inch. 6 inches for the kitchen stove top bed. 4 inches for the bathroom.
Did the cable guy come back or he's good?
See him.
Well, you know he lived 2 houses over.
Yeah. And then new build, I had to drill it out after it was all said and done. But here, we got the dryer vent.
All right, we about to get out of here, right? Felix! They bought this today, huh?
Everything else is all set.
For real?
Inside, outside, everything's set. It's ready for installation, ready after the installation, ready for sheetrock. There's all the ductwork running for the bathroom.
What's this?
Getting my beams in. My header going across.
Oh, you had to brace it?
Yeah, I have to brace it a little bit so I can. But it looks good now. I checked it earlier and it's pretty level. Let's see how this one is. Yeah. Not bad.
There you go.